beeper. Pagka yung beeper, nagdadaw pa rin kayo. Punta kayo sa mayor's office, sa secretary, tanongin ninyo, makapag... Kasi, ano yan duties and responsibilities nyo. So, to make it video, same as a photo, lighting. Okay?
Kasi hindi pa.
Nawain kayo tayo. Nasa office ako. Hindi mo alam yung ginagawa niya. Okay. Use for storytelling as storytelling, education, entertainment, and more. So, yun malungkot na ako. Ready? Ano yung natin?
Hihintay nyo lang yun. Kasi sinabi gusto mag-charge. Pinakagawa ko.
Full church ko na, ewan ko. Baka hindi na full church, sinabi lang na full.
Naging busy ganyan. So I think nung hinandal ko nga po
Puro puti motor nila.
Sige conscious na sa ano. Sige conscious na sa video. Ina-apply ko yung rule of thirds. Sir, umusog ka kasi hindi ko ma-apply yung rule of thirds. Morning. This morning. Yeah. Morning. Brookie in the.
Soaked in vinegar. This mother right here was on a mission because she kept making dish after dish. And this one was tofu topped with pearl leaves. Finally, this is the part where she made everything look extra nice, set the table with all these colorful dishes. This is everything my Japanese host mom made me for dinner. To start off, she's making this very typical extra coloring, which is not very common and I've never seen this being done before. Then she'll add the meat into the boiling bowl of. For the second dish, she just washed up some baby clams to make a tiny miso soup out of. This third dish is one that I don't usually get to make a lot. It's a dish that's made with octopus tentacles and cucumbers, which is then soaked in vinegar. This mother right here was on a mission because she kept making dish after dish. And this one was tofu topped with pearl. It's a dish that's made with octopus tentacles and cucumbers, which is then soaked in vinegar. This mother right here was on a mission because she kept making dish after dish. And this one was
TNT. So ito po yung ating simbahan. So sa dulo po ng simbahan, meron po tayo dun na may...
Wawik. Wow. Baby, nakatayo yung...
Ano ba ginagawa nito?
Tingnan natin dun sa kabalat na light. So, as we go, tingnan na rin natin. Tingnan kasi sila.
Sisig at saka dalawang garlic rice, dalawang red rice.
Sama ng social rights ha.
Iba mo yun?
Dalawang garlic
Oh,
rice.
tiyak na to. Ating kapatid. Kumali na lang yung kukuha. Putol-putol na lang. Hindi yung hahaliin natin.